Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 200. As per our advice, it was a market watch for conservative traders, and if anybody is ready to take some risk, we thought the price will stay on the selling side, and we thought we can go for selling by placing stop loss near 203.5. After the opening, the price came down till 198.2, and it went up and closed near where it opened. So very low volatile market with opening and closing comes to the equal area. Today expected open somewhere above 200. So what we can do today, again it's a question about taking the risk or willingness to take the risk. One thing, you can wait for the price to come near 201, and then you can go for selling till 202 by placing stop loss near 203.5. We can be sure about one thing: if the price is going to stay constantly above 202, you can expect some short-term buying. So we should be sure about what's going to happen. If you are a conservative trader, what you can do for to be on the safer side, wait for the price to come down below 199, and then you can go for selling, so that there will be some momentum on the selling side. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.